We have an update on Juno the Klepto Kat. July was her biggest month of finding 69 items, but in addition to bringing nearly 400 items home from her scavenger hunts since her two-legged friend started counting, Juno is now running for office. Juno is running for Honorary Mayor of Carpinteria, and Fur is spelled F-U-R. It is not unheard of. A dog was Honorary Mayor of Idlewild a while back. And after all, Juno is known for cleaning up the neighborhood. Her new Instagram is Juno the Klepto Kat, and we will post links to her other social media on our app and website. Thanks so much for joining us. We hope you'll join us again tonight at 11. Until then, have a safe evening.